The iFalarila reading light with remote. The perfect lighting solution for your desk or bedside. This clip-on desk lamp is designed with a flexible gooseneck, allowing you to easily adjust the light to your preferred angle. Made from durable aluminum and plastic, it weighs just 15.1 ounces and comes with a sturdy 2.35-inch clip that securely attaches to tables, headboards, and more. This light offers 3 color modes and 5 brightness levels, providing optimal lighting for reading, working, or crafting. It ensures natural light reproduction, making it easy on the eyes. Users love the remote control, 1-hour timer, and night light mode for added convenience. Made in China, this versatile lamp is energy efficient and a great addition to any workspace or bedroom. The Breville Mini Smart Oven, BOV450XL, in brushed stainless steel, your new kitchen essential. This compact yet powerful countertop oven from Breville offers 8 versatile cooking functions, including toast, bagel, bake, broil, pizza, roast, cookies, and reheat. Designed with the Element IQ system, it uses 5 independent quartz elements to deliver precise cooking results, heating up quickly with its 1800-watt preheat. Weighing just 10.7 pounds, the BOV450XL is perfect for small kitchens, fitting up to 4 slices of toast or an 11-inch pizza. With a sleek LCD display, it's easy to navigate all the smart functions. The non-stick cavity makes cleaning a breeze, and it even comes with a 10 by 10-inch enamel baking pan. This oven is a customer favorite, with a 4.5 out of 5-star rating, based on over 8,400 reviews. It's your go-to for quick, convenient meals with excellent results every time. The Ovente 2-tier electric food steamer, model FS62S. This versatile kitchen gadget features a stainless steel base, offering durability and a sleek finish. Weighing only 1.8 pounds, it's lightweight and easy to store. Manufactured in China, it's available for just making it an affordable option for healthy cooking, with users rave about its efficiency and performance. The 400-watt steamer comes with a 60-minute timer and an auto shut-off function, ensuring your food cooks to perfection without constant supervision. The stackable 5-quart baskets let you steam multiple dishes at once, ideal for busy families. Steam vegetables, fish, dumplings, or meats with minimal effort and no oil, preserving nutrients and natural flavors. Plus, it's dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. Cook smarter and healthier with Ovente. The Dreo oil-filled radiator, the perfect solution for efficient, quiet heating in large rooms. This 1,500-watt electric heater offers 360-degree whole-home warmth, thanks to its 7 advanced fins that heat up 39% faster than competitors. It ensures rapid, even heat distribution without the noise, creating a cozy atmosphere in any space. Weighing 17.6 pounds, this heater comes with 4 heating modes, including Eco Mode for energy-saving warmth. The digital thermostat and 24-hour timer allow you to set your ideal temperature and enjoy preheated comfort without worrying about fluctuations. With triple overheat protection, tilt protection, and child lock, safety is a priority. The remote control and touchscreen provide easy control, while large wheels make it easy to move. Users love its quiet operation and efficient heating. It's a safe, energy-efficient way to stay warm all winter long. Introducing the Kidisel Hot and Iced Coffee Maker, model KC101B. This versatile coffee machine is perfect for both hot and iced coffee lovers. Made from durable stainless steel, it's built to last and weighs just 4.43 pounds, making it a convenient addition to your kitchen. Enjoy a customizable brewing experience with 5 adjustable cup sizes, ranging from 6 to 14 ounces. You can also choose between regular or extra strong brew for both hot and iced coffee, tailoring your coffee just the way you like it. With a 50-ounce removable water reservoir, you can brew multiple cups without needing constant refills. And with its fast brewing time, you'll enjoy fresh coffee in minutes. The energy-efficient auto-off feature kicks in 10 minutes after brewing, saving you energy. It has earned an impressive 4.3-star rating with over 1,200 reviews. Get yours today and brew your perfect cup every time.